Hello, pre-calculus students. Today we're going to be taking a look at linear equations, formulas, problem solving, some basic things that really we should kind of tear through because it shouldn't be too tough. I want to apologize now if I talk a little fast. It's because it's 2:06 before the Alter game, and I'm pretty excited and want to get this through so we can get to the game. Anyways, an equation which generates only one solution is called conditional. The reason we call it as conditional is because it has to meet conditions. I know mathematicians are pretty basic sometimes. An example is this is x plus 4 equals 8. If you subtract, the only number you can put in to get this to work is 4. It's the only number we can add to 4 to get to 8. Therefore, it's met the conditions. There's only one solution. An identity is always true no matter what variable. So no matter what we put in for x, no matter what we put in for a variable, it's always going to come out to be true. The telltale sign of an identity, and this is a really basic one, is when you start solving, eventually you're going to come across an instance when if we subtract 3x from both sides, we subtract 3, we're left with like 0 equals 0, or we'll get some number equals some number. That's when we know we've got an identity, because no matter what, 0 always equals 0, because 0 always equals 0. There's never a number we couldn't plug in for x that wouldn't work. So the way we write this is the set of all x's such that x is in the real numbers. All that means is every real number would work for a solution of x. Finally, we have contradictions. Contradictions are equations that are never true, no matter what real number is substituted in for a variable. No matter what, it never ever works out to be true. Example of this would be like 2x plus 6 equals 2 times quantity x minus 5. When you start solving this and you distribute, you get 2x plus 6 equals 2x minus 10. Eventually we're going to subtract 2x, and we're going to get left with 6 equals negative 10. Well, this doesn't make any sense. 6 can never equal negative 10. We've contradicted ourselves, therefore there's no real solution. You can either write no real solution, or we can say the set of all numbers that's empty. It's called the null set, the empty set. There's no number that this will work. Sorry, my squigglies may not be quite so sharp. I got to get back in the practice of writing them.